think I had plenty of dreams and light in my life. Still my glass was half empty, but you came along and showed me how to love without limits, to have a good time. My glass was always half empty.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today, I'm so excited to share this video with you guys. I am redoing my laundry room. As you guys can see that before, it was so sad in here, you guys. It was so dreadful to do laundry in this room. It just made me sad when I would walk in there. Plus, I had a bunch of clutter in here. It was so unorganized and it was just pretty sad in here, you guys. So I am so happy to finally share this video with you guys and show you how it ended up looking like and just how we did it on a budget as well. So I went ahead and took out everything from the cabinets because we are gonna be sanding them down, like, you know, the doors. My husband's gonna take them down, and then he's probably gonna start sanding this down. And then over here, you guys, I didn't realize how disgusting that cabinet was. Oh my gosh, that is embarrassing, but it's real life. I don't want to hide anything from you guys. You know, I'm gonna keep it real. So yeah, I'm gonna clean it. I got a little sponge with some soap and a cloth so I can just clean everything, including the dishwasher. What am I talking about? Including the washer and dryer. And then over here, I just put everything in categories, you know, like cleaning supplies, some stuff that's going under my cabinets in my restroom, or my restroom cabinets. And then over here I just have some twinkle lights that I use, you know, for fall time and Christmas. I have some extra light bulbs. So that's how it's looking so far, you guys. Now I'm gonna get to cleaning. That way my husband can take down the doors and start sanding them down.
It's just us two, but I don't mind. You could never wear me out. You could never wear me out. Far away from the city lights. We're far away from the city.
So we took the cabinet doors outside so we can sand them down. My husband's taking off all the hinges on them, and we're gonna end up using some different ones, so we didn't keep these. But you guys, we did use a sanding machine. This little machine, it's very inexpensive. I don't remember exactly how much my husband got it for, but it is very useful because it, you know, it takes down the time that if you're using just your hand to sand these down. We got them as smooth as possible, you guys. For my kitchen, I did have, you know, professionals come in and paint my cabinets. That's why they turned out really smooth. But as far as these, we sanded them down as much as possible. Like I said, you know, we're not professional. This is the first time we ever did a project like this. So we're just working with what we have, and we didn't want to pay somebody to come paint these cabinets. So we just did it ourselves. We used, you know, I think it was 180 grit paper, sanding paper. I don't remember exactly, but it was like a pretty rough sandpaper, and then we used a smoother sandpaper once we got more sanding done. But you guys, these cabinets are super hard to get them like really white, just because they do have like little lines and like design, like if you see here, you can see kind of like the fake wood looking design. So that was really hard to cover. So I did 4 coats of paint, you guys. I did both sides 4 times, and it was really hard to really get in there with the rollers. So the brush really helped when I had to do that, like really get in there, because the lines, I don't know, they soak up all that paint. Therefore I had to keep on going and giving it more coats. So yeah, I mean, they turned out nice, not as nice as they would have turned out if I would have done it with a spray gun or a spray paint gun. But I mean, we did it with a roller and a paintbrush, and I think it came out pretty nice. Of course, it would have been better if I would have just, you know, replaced all these cabinets, or maybe just would have done all shelves. But you know, I mean, we were doing this on a budget, and I mean, I think it turned out pretty nice at the end. You guys will see how they turned out.
Even after all of these years, you still look at me with the same love. It's just us two, but I don't mind. You could never wear me out. You could never wear me out.
So for my laundry room, I really wanted it to feel calm and just fresh and relaxed, sort of, because we do use this room so much, you guys. I have 3 kids and my husband and me, so you know, I'm in here almost every other day. So I went with this paint color called Reflecting Pool. It is by the brand Bear, and they sell it at Home Depot. This color is like a bluish gray color. It's kind of cool, so it does feel very calm in here. I mean, I wish it was a little bit lighter, just because this room doesn't have any type of daylight, so it looks darker in my room. But if you have a room that's very light, you know, it's gonna look beautiful in that room. I really recommend this color. I wish I would have tested before I went ahead and painted the whole laundry room, but I mean, it is paint, so I can always just go get another gallon of paint and just, you know, repaint it. But for now, I think it looks really pretty. I'm just gonna, you know, sit on it for a little while and see if I like it more as I go. But I think it's a beautiful color, you guys. If you've been looking for a paint color to do a room in your home, it is a beautiful color. I really recommend it.
There was a part of me that knew that, and still I'm caught by surprise. I thought you'd always be mine. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay.
So what we're doing here is removing the vinyl roll that was here before. This one was so ugly, you guys. It was like a beige square, and it had like little pink lines in it, so I knew I wanted to replace it, but I didn't really want to spend a lot of money because it is the laundry room. I don't know. Plus I don't know if this is gonna be our forever home, so we wanted to go with something that was pretty but not so expensive. So we chose this pattern here, you guys. This is a vinyl tile. This one was so inexpensive. We found it at Lowe's, and it is so pretty, you guys. It was so pretty, and it is so easy to work with because you can just use a box cutter if you want to, you know, cut out any of it. And yeah, it was 30 pieces in one box, and it only cost around $30. I will link it down below if I can find it online for you guys if you're interested. And you don't have to put the grout in between, but we decided to do that just so it will give it more of a tile look, and it looks so pretty, you guys. I am so happy that I went with this design or pattern. It is something that I really don't go for. This is pretty out there. You guys, if you've seen my home decor tours, I'm more simple or more neutral when it comes to like my floor and everything like that, or my style. But for my laundry room, I wanted to do something different. I wanted to do something that I don't really do, so I went with this design, and I'm happy I did, because I did get inspired by Pinterest. I saw that in a lot of laundry rooms they use this type of design, and I think it turned out great, you guys. It looks really pretty, and I mean, we did a great job. My husband did a great job. You know, he did most of it, so props to him. And I'm helping him here with my tortilla roller, because he says that he saw it online, that that's what you're supposed to do, so it will stick more better. And that's what I'm doing here.
Tried so hard to stay afloat. We keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. No words, no more, no. I got so high on a hill. That's when I loved you the most. No, I thought I should let you know. No words, no more, we don't know. No words, no more, we don't know. No words, no more, we don't know. No words, no more, no, no. We don't know. No words, no more, we don't know. No words, no more, we don't know. No words, no more, no, no. Yeah. don't think we got enough time to sort out all the fights, to sort out all the lies. Oh baby, yeah. There was a part of me that knew that.
Okay, you guys, so this is how it's looking so far. You guys, it is so different, right? If you remember how I looked before, I'll insert it before later on in the video, but for now, this is the way it's looking with no decor or anything. It is really hard to get like a really good picture just because, you know, I record with my phone and I don't have any daylight in here, so I'm sorry about that. But oh my gosh, you guys, even with this lighting, it looks so different. The only part that I forgot to record is when my husband installed this shelf. This one we also got it at Home Depot, and I really wanted to put a shelf there just so I can hide that ugly square that you see there. But you guys, let's get on to decorating, which is my favorite part, and you guys will see the full effect at the end.
Was gonna patch up all the scars, but we smashed up all the parts. Oh na na na. Always knew that you were stubborn, but didn't know it'd be so hard to figure out who you really are. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. I just thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words no more, no. We're done now, no words no more. We're done now, no words no more. We're done now, no words no more, no, no. We're done now, no words no more. We're done now, no words no more. We're done now, no words no more, no, no. Yeah. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. We keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go.
Okay, you guys, so this is the final result. I'm just gonna give you a rundown so you guys can see what's inside the cabinets and everything like that. Let me just open them up for you guys, because I know I will want to see what's inside the cabinets. You know, it's not just the outside but also the inside. I still need to put the other shelf up here. It's back there. I just wanted to see how much room I needed, and then I will install the other, you know, shelf. That way I can put more stuff in there. But for now, this is the way I have it, you guys. Of course, this is a laundry room, so I'm gonna have my cleaning supplies, stuff like that in here. I just put all of that in here. It's just, you know, a fire extinguisher, one of those things, some disinfecting wipes, things like that. And then up there I have some string lights, extra light bulbs, and I love that the baskets, you can't even see through them, and that you know, you can just hide whatever you want in them. Up there I just have some extra Bath and Body Works like plug-in scents, and then here I just have some extra hand soaps and then some extra washcloths. I love these baskets, you guys. I got them from Kirkland's. And no, we didn't paint the bottom of this one, so that's why that's stain there. But whatever, it's okay. You don't really see it. And then I just put that extra little decoration piece there. This is from when we put the knobs, you guys. Look, that's what happened. We're not professionals, you know, we're still learning. So yeah, that's what happened there. So we need to get some wood filler and just repaint it. And yeah, that's what I have in here. But don't you guys like the way it just looks much more organized, much cleaner? It just, oh my gosh, it makes me so happy. And then over here on this shelf, I just have, of course, my laundry detergent, my Suavitel, bleach. And then up there, I just have, sorry, that's my kids. I just have more candles, like extra candles that I have for fall, Christmas, and things like that. I did paint all of the inside of here, so now it looks more cleaner, you know. It doesn't look so disgusting like it did before. You guys know I show a clip of how it looked there. But yeah, guys, that's all I have in here. And this is the way it looks on the outside. I really love the way it looks. It looks very clean, very inviting. And then of course the washer has a little thing here. You know, they're not new. Hopefully in the future we'll get some new ones, we'll upgrade, but for now this is what we have. In this corner I just have the trash can for the lint, and then over here we just have this hanging hook from Target. You guys, I really love the way it looks, simple, and it has that gold accent that I have in the doorknobs over here. But this one's from Target, I just got it as well. And then over here I just have that little sign that says lost and found that I really love. That one is from Michael's, like I mentioned before. But yeah, you guys, it's kind of hard to record in here because it's so small. But let me just back up and show you guys from this view, or from this angle. What do you guys think? Should I leave the rug in here or should I just take it off? I don't know if I should keep it there or just put it somewhere else. But yeah, guys.